In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Royal Bank of Scotland digital banking. It's a straightforward process, and with a few steps, you'll be set up and ready to manage your finances online with ease. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to head over to the Royal Bank of Scotland's website. Once you're there, look for the section that says Register for Digital Banking or Set Up Digital Banking. These options are usually prominently displayed on the website to help new users find their way. Now, as you get started, you'll have to indicate what type of customer you are. Are you signing up as a personal customer, or perhaps you're setting this up for a business, managing a credit card, or dealing strictly with a mortgage? Choose the one that best applies to your situation. Once you've sorted that out, it's time to fill in some key personal details. Enter your full name and date of birth. Then you'll need to decide if you're providing your RBS account sort code and account number, or if you prefer to use your debit card number along with the expiry date. If you're a mortgage customer, you'll be asked to provide your mortgage number instead. After you've entered all the necessary information, RBS will present you with a unique customer number on the screen. It's essential to take a moment here to save that number securely. This customer number will be crucial for logging into your digital banking and for any future access. Next, RBS will send you an activation code. This code is a vital part of verifying your identity, ensuring all your information remains private and secure. The code typically arrives via text message to your registered mobile number. However, if your phone number isn't updated or available, they can also send this code to you by post. Once you have your activation code, go ahead and visit the RBS login page. Here, you'll be asked to enter the customer number you saved earlier along with the activation code you just received. Now comes the step where you create your personal security credentials, a password, and a 4-digit PIN. Your password should be thoughtfully composed, between 6 to 20 characters long, and must include both letters and numbers for optimal security. With your PIN and password set, that's it. You've successfully completed the registration process for RBS Digital Banking. You're now ready to log in and start making use of both their online banking services and their mobile app, granting you convenient access to your accounts anytime, and that wraps up the registration process. I hope this guide has been helpful and makes your journey with RBS Digital Banking a smooth one. Thank you for watching.